Hello, Space Monkeys! We are continuing our exploration through Selenia, and let me think. Ah, yeah, I should go downstairs. There was still stuff downstairs for me, right? Yeah. A lot of stuff downstairs. Here I got everything because these cannot be taken in any way, shape, or form as far as I can see. I cannot get in there. I'm already running out of breath, so to speak. Food level now. Okay. Didn't expect that. But I should be running back. Flying back, even. Because I'm running out of breath. No. I got everything here, right? Yeah. Okay. Oh, while I'm at it, I'm gonna eat something. Bam. Upstairs. Already empty. These I already got. There's nothing else here. There's a door. Okay. So pertaining these buildings, I got everything. Ah. So I can continue driving here. Interesting. Oh, and I can get in here. No, I cannot. That's thingy where I was already. That's interesting. So, yeah, maybe at some point I can move there. Ah, no. Would be able to move here. Okay. I'm just checking out because I'm already quite at maximum capacity. Okay. Interesting. Tons to explore and to check out at some point. No, don't go there. You know, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is bigger than the Humble DLC. Nope. I'd say. Whee! Flying. I realized you don't have any sound. I have to change that.
12 seconds later.
Okay, corrected the sound thingy. Sorry about that. Okay. Hydration level low. I have water. I have water. Okay. So, food seeds. What's the next one that I want to build? What do I want? It's raining. It's always a magical moment in this game when it starts raining. I mean, I know it has already started raining, but it's still a magical moment. So let me see. Iridium. Let's make it iridium. Demand iridium. Next one, magnesium. Magnesium. Okay. This exactly. I'm gonna take these. And what was it again? What do I need to make the Q2s? Fertilizer. Okay. Tell you what. I'm gonna tell it to bring fertilizer. All right, I have 8. Then bring Where's the quartz? There. At the moment I don't have any. At some point I suppose I'm going to be able to just travel around, but that's not what I can do right now. Which is a pity. So pulsar quartz would be great, but although I can make my own pulsar quartz. Okay. What do I need to make an auto? Oh, not locker storage. The auto thingy. Osmium, super alloyed rod, osmium. I think I don't have any osmium, right? This is a planet without no. Osmium. Then where are the rods? Here. Super alloyed rod, osmium. Okay. And if I want to build pulsar quartz, I need osmium, zeolite, iridium, uranium. Let me check. Not much uranium, of course, because I'm using it all to build. Lots of osmium. Osmium, zeolite, uranium. Iridium I already have. So super alloy. Where are you, super alloy? There. And bam. Okay, so I can build my own thingy wingy. In the meantime, cobalt. Cobalt. What did I type there? Makes no sense at all. Okay. Demand cobalt. There we go. I can put all fuses in one place. At some point I'm gonna start selling the fuses when I see that I don't need them anymore, but until then. There are new fuses in this version. Use cartridge, growth multiplier, insects multiplier. Interesting. What else do I have? Add the quartz here. Yeah. Okay. So I think that now I can build the T7 backpack. Wait here. T7 backpack. Which gives me even more place. Okay, what do we want to put there? Okay, this is empty. That's good. Oh, sorry. Obsidian, why not? Okay. And I should maybe tell it that it wants obsidian, right? If I can empty these two, that would be a good thing. Maybe I need some space for zeolite. Zeolite. There it is. And it seems very much as if plants are full. Go. This is empty. This is empty. Okay. Just a sandstorm or something like that. But I'm gonna put these back in their place. And osmium. Huh. I can only get 3 of the 5 that are there. Okay. Okay, so I can build some more pulsar quartz. And super alloy is something that I'm gonna be needing a lot, so. Alright. I've explored a bit. I wanna take a breather from exploring. I still have 1,713. That's good. Pressure is going up. Heat is not going up as much, but it's already quite high. Oxygen. Thing is, until the world doesn't start filling up with water, the best thing for oxygen is the T2 VG tubes, and I have more than enough plants. Okay. So plans, where are you? These are the best. Hydration level low. I need ones. Three iron, magnesium. Silicon and a lot of ice. One, two, three, four, five, six. All right. Let's get some more plans going. All right. Oxygen is going to go up, heat, pressure. All right. So I have may want to put a second door at some point. I'm going to leave that here for the time being. Will these open at any point in time? Or never? We'll find out. We'll find out. We'll find out. Let me think again. So I have oxygen. I have heat. Pressure. At some point I want to put some of the big pressure things on there. But for now, I think I want to do another run of exploration. Especially seeing as there is space there. This is enormous. I mean, I wonder if it's only on a straight line. At some point I'll do all the rockets and all that, and then we'll see the map, but for now it looks enormous. Oh, I made a boo-boo. There was some issue with the recording. So I'm moving some stuff upstairs because the autocrafter doesn't reach that far. But autocrafters also reach up at least 3 stories, if not more. So I'm putting, so to speak, everything on the same level as this room. So that the autocrafter can reach that well. And any other autocrafter that I built later. This is just one of them. And if you didn't know, now you know. Okay, that should be enough. These I put here for the time being. And I wanted to build some pressure. So T5 drill would be super alloy rod and osmium rod. It uses 450 energy, but I have more than enough, 23,000. Okay. So where do I put the pressure? Doesn't really matter, does it? Pressure is pretty much fire and forget. So Q. All right. Do I have a pressure fuse? Amongst the fuses. Ah, fuses are on the other side. I'm thirsty and I'm hungry. Production multiplier, growth for plants or vegetables. Energy. No, I don't. Okay. Let me think. I don't have a pressure multiplier. Let me see what fuses I have on prime. Because if I have a pressure multiplier fuse on prime, that would be a good thing. I think I used or sold all of them, but you never know. Look, I have one. Okay, great. Great rocket multiplier. Energy multiplier, I have more than enough. So let me get some osmium. Zeolite. Nah, why not? Iridium. Uranium. That's always the kicker. Huh. Okay. And methane. Methane, where are you? I wonder how it works. I suppose it reserves the stuff. And there we go. I'm missing one methane, but then I'm gonna get rid of one iridium thingy, zeolite, because I have enough zeolite, and put one methane there. Methane, 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 methane. There we go. Perfect. Launch the shuttle and go get some air. Okay. Then to build a T2, I would even like to have more than one pressure. Anyway. Pressure is also going up nicely. Heat, I may want to put just another heat in there. I need 3 iridium rods. I have. I need 3 super alloy rods. I have. And I need some explosives. I have. Do I have heat multipliers in Prime? No. Okay. Not really important. So I have to see to it. Yeah, speed of terraforming is growing. So the plant views, growth multiplier, growth of nearby machine, plants or vegetables. But it's not growth that I need here, right? They are already grown. Maybe not. How many of those growth thingies do I have? 1, 2. I'm gonna try it. Let's find out. I need uranium rod. Yeah. The uranium rod I have. 2 explosives I have. Obsidian I have upstairs. There we go. And I'm already at the right place. So I put the T2 machine optimizer here. Go downstairs. Take these 2 fuses. Go upstairs. Put them in there. Yeah, okay. Growth speed 1.5. I'm getting some more oxygen. Okay, things are taking. Speed. For the time being, I don't think I need more. I think these 2 are bored silly. What else? I should start building rockets and sending them to space. Iron. Titanium. Thing is, I would love to put it here, but this monster's in the way and I cannot get rid of it. Okay. Here? No. Let me put the rockets here. All right. And I'll start with the maps. Ouch! That was stupid of me. And we need some space for silicon. Demand silicon. Where are you? Ah, there. Okay. And what I want is 2 osmium. No, osmium, yeah. Correct. Do I have osmium upstairs? Yes. 2 osmium, 1 rocket. And 1 microchip compass. Nope. Microchip compass is silicon. Silicon. Aluminium. Magnesium. Boom. Compass. Now I have everything I need to send my first map. Map information rocket. Whee! My first map. My first rocket on the moon. Well, the other one is landing. Okay. There we go. The pressure thingy. I was gonna say you should be building already. And I have a map. All right. So it's quite big, but not enormously so. Huh. And the only thing I'm gonna be able to get, as far as I can see, is... Oh, there is another... Wait, I am here. There is another base here. Oh. For now, I've been only checking out these, and there is another base here. Look at that. I have something to explore. So I drive here, and drive here. So, okay. Mm, I should collect some water, some ice to get water. Gonna drink already something here. Get rid of the cobalt. Why has it only built 3? Did I not get all the uranium that I asked for? I noticed that I wasn't demanding zeolite, as I'm not demanding obsidian here. How about cobalt? Yes. And silicon, I suppose, yes. Okay. So it seems I did not get all the uranium that I wanted. So I'm gonna do 2 things. Ask for more uranium. Ask for as much uranium I can have. Okay. Methane. And then super alloy. And launch the shuttle. And one thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that buggy, and instead of going left, I'm gonna go right. Because according to the map, there is a base here. It's this way. Huh. This way and then? Oh, okay. No, I'm going the wrong way. Where do you guys want me to go? Maybe there is no way to drive there. Interesting, because if I see the map correctly, there is a small opening there. Okay. Very small opening. Okay, so the opening should be here, but I don't see it. The supposed opening is not there. Doesn't look as if I can drive there, right? Okay. How do I get to that base? Opa. Maybe through here? Or through here? Okay. Let me try. Going here. Opa. Ah, maybe there's ice. No. So it says to go here. And then here. And you see the base there. But can I find a way to get to that base? Maybe. Not from here. Hydration level low, but I have water. So I see the base. What I don't see is a way to get there. Maybe. I can try. Try and do the jump. So, let's jump. No. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Good that it doesn't break when I fall down. I'm gonna try one more time and then call it quits for today. Because I get the feeling that I'm not supposed to go there yet. On the other hand, there's so many things I am not supposed to do in this life and I do them anyway. Let's try to do this jump. No. Ah, there. That's the opening. I don't think... I think it's too steep. No, shut up. Yeah, it's too steep. The card doesn't get there. No. No, I'm not supposed to go there. Anyway. What I can always do... Yeah, I could fly up, but considering that I don't have the atmosphere is not made of oxygen yet, or it doesn't contain enough oxygen. If the atmosphere was made of oxygen, would not be a good thing. But seeing as the atmosphere does not contain enough oxygen, I'll leave it at that for now. And I suppose there's another point in time where I have to go there. One thing though that I want to know is... Oh, wrong platform. There's my platform. There's this T2 map information. I can build that. Really can. Okay. Let me build it. If not for anything else, for the giggles. I need... one blazer quartz, rocket, 2 zeolites, do I have them upstairs? Yeah. And once again, 1 compass. Silicon, magnesium, 2 aluminiums. Magnesium, no, I only need 1, and silicon is upstairs. Oh, no, I can go, exactly. So let's build the T2 map information rocket. Oh, haha. Funny. If I have the ingredients for a compass, but I don't build the compass, does it still fly? No, it doesn't. But no. There we go. What does that rocket look like? Okay, let's... Food level low. Yeah, and the only thing that I can mine is selenium. Oh, okay. That's important to know. Because if at any point I can go to Prime. Interesting. Okay. Anything else? We'll continue tomorrow. And we'll see where we land. Until tomorrow, be kind to each other, enjoy life, and I'll see you tomorrow, Space Monkeys. Bye!